Hi, welcome. We're looking at the ArcoLinux tweak tool. And if you do not have it yet, you do just sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux and then tweak tool, right? You'll see that if you updated your systems, you'll see that you have a keyboard shortcut for it. We have a Ctrl-Alt-E on all our desktops to launch this thing. You need to be sudo for it because it's going to write in some protected parts. Now we've explained a lot of them already, and we are at slimlock at this point in time. Slimlock is a system to lock your system, so your screen. With a super K or L, often you just lock this theme and then you choose what nice wallpaper you want to have. And a GUI is always the same thing as what's happening on the back end, and I want you to know that as well. So if something goes wrong, you know where to look for. So we have a slimconf back, which is our backup. So if you want to say reset, it's going to put this one back in here. So slimconf, if we just take a hint here, tip here, Perl is a great way to see things. All the black things are not necessary, or just text, are not interesting for us. All the white things are interesting for us. So we have chosen the current theme is ArcoLinux Spy. Check, correct. So I want to change it. I want to go to ArcoLinux Eyes, for instance, which is a nice one. Okay, we do apply theme, settings saved successfully, and it changes here to ArcoLinux Eyes. So it says that easy that you just, well, we could do this manually here as well, and just say a hashtag here, a hashtag there. That's basically, maybe a little bit small, that's basically what we do here. We just say, don't want this one, I rather want this one. And that's it, really. So rather than doing it manually, we actually have a GUI for it. So selecting a theme, this is our choice. ArcoLinux, well, this thing here. Oh, we haven't tried it yet. Super K, which will give me another wallpaper, another image to close my system. That's the idea, to lock the system till you're coming back. Now, these are the guys that we have from our package, so the theming. We can add more wallpapers. Of course, you have your own wallpapers, and you say, maybe I can use my own wallpaper, and I go to, I don't know, let's take Android Joy. No. So it needs to be a PNG, I believe. So you only get the PNGs out of here, no GPG. So the other folder just contained GPGs, it means. So images are to be in PNG. We help you. We need to have a theme name. Without theme name, you can't create a theme. So I'm gonna give this Pink Future. Well, Pink Future, I don't know, I think it's something futuristic here. I'm gonna create the theme and then apply the theme. What's happening in the end here? Well, it's gonna be called Pink Future. If it, well, the space is not necessary, but you know me, right, done. Super K, and here it is. Well, it's not really something futuristic, but it is nice. So this will be my lock screen for now. The same applies again if you don't want to see it anymore. You say remove again. Okay, success. And current, we have the ArcoLinux Eyes back. If you say no, let's go to reset everything and to apply theme again. We'll have ArcoLinux Speed logo here. So it's that easy to change your elements of your system. And this applies on all various desktops where we use slimlock, right? So that's a funny way, an easy way to rather do it with a graphical user interface than just go into the file and start looking around. But you can add even more to it, more pictures, your pictures. Add a name, save it, and done. All right, enjoy.